Welcome to Joanne's Soft Furnishings, a friendly family business established in Falkirk for over 20 years and covering the whole of the central belt of Scotland. We pride ourselves in being able to offer the complete service from the comfort of your own home or business place, where you benefit from a no-obligation measure and design consultation. Joanne's Soft Furnishings are specialists in bay window treatments. We're makers of high-quality made-to-measure curtains, helmets, swags and tails, Roman blinds, quilted bedspreads, upholstered headboards and a wide range of coordinating accessories. During our consultation, we'll help you choose fabrics and designs that will complement and coordinate with your decor and furniture. Once you've placed your order, your individual requirements will be made to the highest quality with every attention to detail. And once complete, will be expertly fitted by our highly skilled fitting team. To find out more, call us today.